Welcome back, everyone. This is Josh with Lead and Iron, and I told you that I would be presenting some tools that will help you edit faster in the long run. So our friends over at Blackmagic were very gracious enough to send us a speed editor to play with. So let's see what's in this box. Here we go, guys. I know there's like a tear here somewhere. Right here. Okay. So we'll pull here. Okay. All right. It worked. Eureka. Package well. And here it is. I'll keep this. All right. So here we go, guys. We have a speed editor that we're going to use to show you guys all these different little functions and keys, and how especially this knob right here will help you pinpoint to make those perfect cuts and insertions and everything. So anyway, let's look what's in here. I'm going to go ahead and take that out, and it's our editor that we will be using in our videos. Wow, this is so freaking cool. Alright, some paperwork that we'll read over, and this is it, guys. Here's a speed editor that we're going to use. It is Bluetooth and you can also use a cable, but Bluetooth, so it's wireless, which is nice. We'll be using this in our, not this video coming up, but the next one, so I can show you how these different, you can have different camera angles, put those in, jog using this knob right here. You can choose your in and out. I mean, this is going to be, it makes the process so much easier once you get past that. It's like a little tiny learning curve, but after that, you're good. So we'll be using that in the next upcoming videos here, and we'll have some fun. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see from this, and if there's anything else that you guys want to see. But again, thank you to Blackmagic Design. I can't thank you enough. We're sure going to take care of this. Thank you. We're going to be looking into the next couple of videos with this, so stay tuned. This tool right here will save you a bunch of time. I wanted to do this unboxing and take the time to thank Blackmagic Design for lending us this speed editor. Thank you again. I look forward to playing with this, reviewing it, and then also showing everyone else how to use this as well as much as I can. Thank you again. Keep up in the next couple videos, because growing with us will be very interesting. Talk to you guys later. I gotta go because my back hurts.